So in this video, you'll learn how to enable palm rejection in PENUP on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So palm rejection simply stops your tablet from recognizing your palm whenever you're coloring. So for example, if you're coloring something on PENUP and you've decided to use your S Pen, you'll notice that sometimes your palm can get in the way. So the palm rejection feature simply allows your tablet to no longer recognize your palm whenever you're coloring something in. So the first step when it comes to enabling this feature is to simply go ahead and open PENUP. So if you haven't already, just go ahead and launch PENUP on your tablet. And then you want to just open a canvas. Tap on Start Coloring. And then from here, you're going to tap on the three dots in this toolbar that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Once you've tapped on it, you're then going to select Settings. And then under Settings, you should see Palm Rejection. So the first step is to just tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And so now palm ejection will successfully be enabled, and it will prevent accidental touch interactions when you're using your S Pen. So if you're a person who colors like this, palm rejection will stop your palm from being recognized as you go through the coloring process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.